Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and I am so excited that you're here today because I am doing my first Shein haul. I had the winter holidays in mind when I was shopping for this. Let's get into it. So this is something I really needed. This is to hold my brushes and other tools and keep it on my desk. I'll be honest, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. But I don't look at product information, so there you go. Okay, so this is pretty cute. And honest, oh, and yeah, I knew that. So it like, oops, sorry. So it spins. Oh, I'm so excited. You put like stuff in. Fun. Okay, so I'm super excited about that. Move that off to the side. Next we have, oh, some builder gel. Okay, I think these are like the Aura Hollow. I don't know. I don't even know. I don't remember what these are. Why am I just saying words? Let's see. Oh, okay. Cute. So yeah, so you can start to see what I was thinking in terms of like holidays, right? Like imagine snow and stuff and stars. So I feel like the next one is probably blue, if I remember correctly. Oh, what am I seeing? Oh, that's fun. Obviously there's not a whole lot in the containers, but it's just me doing my nails. So I don't need a whole lot, but that's pretty. Okay, let's find out what this is. Oh yeah, okay. I ordered this purple. I've been wanting to have, I don't know, oh, okay, fine. More like sheer and milky colors. And also I'm obsessed with purple. So that's why I got that. I was like, what is this? This is, I wanted just something to hold my brushes while I'm painting. So how cute is that? Just a little, rest your things while you're working. So yes, hopefully this will save me some mess that I've had lately. Fun. Okay, so these are some like shards, I guess was how they were marketed. Guys, how do I get them? Okay, so again, I was thinking like snowflakes and snow. Come on. When I got these, oh, look how cute that is. I feel like I can do some really cool stuff with that. So I'm very, very excited. Honestly, I'm so over Halloween nails right now. I need to move into something different. It's still like another week or so of Halloween nails. Or fall nails. I don't know what I'm gonna do in November. What do people paint in November? Oh my gosh, I made a mess. Okay, figure that out later. I think this is another bottle of polish, but I'm not sure. I don't remember at all what I ordered. How sad is that? Oh, okay, just another straight up white, milky white. Just another straight up white, because I go through a lot of white. So next I have just a container to put all my charms in and to organize things a little bit better than what I currently have. And what I like about this case and why I chose it, oh my gosh, is that all of the containers can come out. Oh, I thought they came out a little bit more individually than that. I thought they made it seem like it came out one at a time. But regardless, this is still like, guys, how do I open them? Okay. Okay, so at least you can take them out a little bit more individually, so that's cool. Maybe this is, I swear I ordered like a milky white. What is this? I genuinely don't know what this is. So the bottle's pretty though. Let's open it up and take a little look. Yes, please. Oh my word. I don't remember ordering this, but I'm really happy about it. Oh my. Rose gold. I bet you I'm going to find some charms in here that will go well with that. Next, we have some caviar beads. So anyways, I ordered some caviar beads. Guys, I'm struggling with this packaging. Like, what is happening? Why is it wrapped like this? Okay, well, I'm not opening this clearly today, but these are some beautiful little caviar beads. Again, thinking holiday nails. I think these will be really cute. I got some more. I'm not going to open these up because they're like similar. I think I just got them in both colors. Colored shards. I really like those. Yay! Okay, some Christmas beads. Oh my gosh. I feel if I open it right now, it's going to spill everywhere, but ooh, I was right. Oh my god, they're so pretty. And there's so many in the container too. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to use these. These are fabulous. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, these are just, I needed some for taking off my nails. Just easier for soaking them off. So I got those. That's boring though. So I got some snowflake charms. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's one. Yeah, those are really pretty. Those will be really fun to do some art with. Next we have, these are some frames. Like they're meant to look like frames, I guess. I just envisioned some kind of vintagey kind of Christmas nails. How cute. Oh my gosh, I want to do that. Oh my god, I love that. Okay. Love that for me. Okay, I ordered these in every color. Clearly, the green. I can imagine myself making some sort of fun Christmas tree using these. Next, we have some sort of clear pearlescent caviar beads. Winter, snow, ice maybe. I'm excited. Then we have some gold gems, just different size ovals and circles. Those are really nice. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, it's just, no, I don't know. I was gonna guess, but I don't know. I was gonna open it, but this is just some clear 3D gel. We don't need to see that. But excited to try that. Oh, these are so cute. Let's open these ones up. So, oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous little Christmas tree. Anything else? Are they all Christmas trees? Oh no, you can see like a bell. Let's take them all out. So I got Christmas tree. Oh my goodness. Little reindeer. Oh, a wreath with a star. This was such a good find. You know how you never know what they're actually going to look like? These, oh my, stop it. These are everything. This, oh my gosh, cannot wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, so I forgot. I did get some polishes. I think these are jellies. Oh yeah, okay, so some different jellies. So there's one. Ooh, 2. Oh, that's a little more opaque, but I don't know. We'll see how it looks. Yay. Okay, so that's what I've been looking for. Fun. Interesting. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so those will be fun. I'm excited to try those out and see what they look like. Oh, this was just pretty. I wanted like a mixer tool from when I'm mixing paints and stuff. And this one has like help. Send help. There we go. So it has that cute little, I don't know, it's just pretty. I like pretty things. So that's fun. Next, oh, just a pusher tool. That's pretty basic, but I need some basic. Oh, these are super fun. Just gold pieces. I just imagine using these like, again, painting like a Christmas tree and decorating Christmas tree with these little beads. That's what I was envisioning. But just some cute little charms, some little gems. I don't know what is this. Oh, line. Okay, so I did get some liners. Okay, so I actually did get some liners. I thought I was being crazy. But the struggle is real today. Ooh, yeah. That's gonna be great. Yay, oh my gosh, love that. And last but not least, oh, like a rose gold. Oh my gosh, so see what I mean when I was saying I was thinking about that rose gold? I was thinking about that. Then I also got some long, extra long stiletto tips. Yay. Oh, and the very last item is so boring. It is just a little thing to hold my stickers, because I do have some stickers. So that is my first nail haul. So fail, total fail. Oh my, oh my. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for joining me on my first Shein nail haul. This was so much fun to unpack with you and to share with you. I'm looking forward to doing some holiday nails. I hope you subscribe so you can check out holiday nails that will be coming up in the next several weeks. Where I'll be using all these supplies. Goodness. So if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you are having just a beautiful day wherever you are in this beautiful world, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.